G'day guys, my name is Alex Ryan. Welcome back. It's good to have you here for another video. Today's video, we're going to be looking at what do you need to do? What are the first steps that you need to take if you have an existing retail shop or a business? You're selling clothing or you're selling bric-a-brac or whatever product. As long as it is a physical product, what are the steps involved in getting your physical product onto Amazon Australia or Amazon USA? So in today's video, we're going to be discussing that and much more. Stay with me. Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So if you just found out about me or you've never seen me and you don't know me from Bar of Soap, I have been around for about 10 years doing import-export. So teaching people how to find great quality products and how to get them in and how to sell them retail, how to sell them online, how to sell them on Amazon, and much more. And I'm also author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune, so how to find great quality products and launch them on sites like Amazon. And today, guys, today's video is all about what are the steps that you need to take right now. So you might be at a journey where you have a retail shop, you've got products, you've got a big stock line, maybe you have your own brand. Maybe you have your own brand right now. You could be selling a retail in a shop, maybe in the Westfields, maybe you're selling it on a website right now, whatever the reason, but you want to take your existing products, your existing brand, the existing stock that you already have and put that onto Amazon. So what are the first steps? Step number one, you need to decide what products you want to list on Amazon, all right? So if you have 1,000 items, you may only want to list 10 products. You may want to list 100 products, right? You may want to list them all, right? But whatever the reason, whatever one you want to do, just decide how many you want to list on Amazon, because you may not want to list them all. You may know right now that like 4 or 5 of those products out of every, the top 10 products are the ones that are the best sellers right now. So wouldn't it make sense to just list those 3 or 4 products and just get those on Amazon, get them selling, and then focus on the other products later on? So that's what the decision you need to make right now is, right? Which products do you want to list on Amazon? Okay, so it could be, and we've worked with businesses that have got 5 products all the way up to 500 products, even 1,000 products, right? Different product lines, different variations, the whole thing, different colors. And that's what you gotta look into as well, right? You may have a red dress, but you'll have a small dress, small red dress, medium red dress, large red dress, extra large, plus size, right? So that's 4 different variations that you've got to account for on Amazon, all right? So one product, essentially one SKU is essentially 4, all right? We're getting a little bit technical now, but this is where you have to decide how many products are you going to list on Amazon. So first of all, decide how many products. Second of all, which products you want to do. Focus on your best sellers to begin with, right? Get the ones out that are currently selling right now. All right, if something's been at the back of the shop for 3 months, it's collecting dust and it looks like a Roman antiquity, right? Do not sell that product, all right? Because unless you run the numbers, unless you run the numbers on it, and this is something you have to do, right? We'll focus on it as a next step. Don't focus on the stuff that's actually selling right now in your store. It's going to be much easier. Get that running, and then later on, list the Roman antiquity, all right? Or list the dusty product. Number 3 is you need to run the numbers. This is so important, guys. You got to run the numbers on the products, right? How do you know if the product right now is currently selling, right, on Amazon Australia or even Amazon USA, depending on where you want to sell it, right? That's number 4. We'll get back to it in a second, right? But what are the numbers on the product, right? What is the existing turnover? And you can find this out on tools online. And we actually teach you how to go about doing this as well. But what are the tools? What are the numbers? So what's the turnover? What's the reviews right now? How many people are selling this particular product? What is their BSR, standing for best seller rank, right? What's the, in terms of competition, right? How many sales are they doing a month? All this sort of stuff can be found out using some online tools, all right? So we actually show you how to go about doing that as well, all right? And basically step number 4 is decide which marketplace you want to sell your products. Maybe it's just Amazon Australia, and you know what? That's fine. You can just sell on Amazon Australia if you want. In fact, there's products here that are doing incredibly well. You may want to sell on Amazon USA. You may want to do both, right? A lot of our students, a lot of the clients that we work with, they end up doing both. They sell a lot on the Amazon USA, 80% of the stock and 20% in Australia. Whereas if you have an existing retail store and you're already doing good numbers, you may want to just sell in Australia. However, you may want to also reach out. So there's nothing stopping you from fulfilling, or what we call shipping your products. So when you make a sale in the USA, you can ship your products directly to your customer yourself, or you can arrange for the Amazon warehouse to do that for you, all right? And that brings me to the last step. Decide, are you going to fulfill yourself, which FBM stands for fulfilled by merchant, or are you going to be FBA, fulfilled by Amazon? You can actually stock your products on the Amazon warehouse and when orders come in, they will fulfill those orders to your customers. So they'll send it out to your customer and fulfill it, handle any paperwork, shipping, returns, admin, headaches, invoicing, tracking, the whole thing, right? They handle everything for you. So that's what you pay them for, right? And so just basically decide, are you going to fulfill the orders yourself, or are you going to enable someone else to fulfill them for you, all right? So a couple of quick questions, right? These are top questions to ask yourself. If you're ready to get something started on Amazon, you need to ask yourself these questions. Now, don't forget, guys, check out our website. We've got a free video series. We've got a PDF download as well that you can get. We've got a free video series there which sort of gives you content showing you how to go about the steps involved in getting your product onto Amazon, getting your brand onto Amazon. I would love to see you there. I would love to help you. So check it out, amzproductlauncher.com.au. Go there right now. Give us a call in the office as well, 02 8003 7534. The number's on the screen, down here and down over there, right? Give us a call, 02 8003 7534, and that's our Australian number. I'm based in Sydney. I'd love to help you get started on Amazon, and I'd love to help you list your existing products, your existing retail brand, and your existing, basically whatever you have in stock right now. I can help you get that onto Amazon. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.